welcome back again. I hope you all are doing good. In this video we will learn how can we draw on the PowerPoint presentation. So let's get started. Once you open the PowerPoint, you will get this page. Now take a blank presentation and click on the draw, and you can just take any tool that you want. As I'm choosing this tool, you can change the color of this tool, and here you just can draw whatever you want, like this. Also, you can just take this so this is how you can draw here. You can also take ruler. You can draw a line with the ruler like this. If you want, you can take this, and you can see you can also draw like this. If you want to take, you can also change it. You can scroll down. I can change the color. This is just too much sharp. So this is how you can draw something on the PowerPoint. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope it was great help to you. Thanks for watching this, and I will see you in the next video.